Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is unit number 3, factors and multiples, exercise number 3.6. Find the smallest number that can exactly dividing the number 108, 180 and 216. Here we find the LCM with the long division method. Here are the three values we dividing by taking LCM by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 0 came as it is. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 becomes a 14, 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8, 0 becomes a 10, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 4 becomes a 24, 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3, 5 came as it is, 3 2s are 6. Now 1 came as it is, 5 came as it is, 2 1s are 2. Now 5 1s are 1 came as it is, 5 1s are 5 and 1 came as it is. Find the smallest number that is exactly divisible by 5, 15 and 25. We also take LCM of this value. 3 5 came as it is, 3 5s are 15 and 25 came as it is. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 and take as it is. When we multiply these three values, the answer came 75. Find the greatest measure of a string that can measure exactly 27, 45 and long wooden exactly. Now 27, 45 and 63 is taken. 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Now 45, 3 1s are 3, 5 became 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now we take the factors. These are the common factor, highest common factor. Now we multiply these values. 3 3s are 9. Here is the 3 factor which is the highest common factor of these three words, which is, so greatest measure is 99 meter. Find the shortest length of a pipe that can be measured exactly with 4, 6 and 9 centimeter long measure. We take LCM of these values. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 9 came as it is. 2 1s are 2, 3 came as it is, 9 came as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, now 3 1s are 3. Now we multiply these four words. The answer came 36 meter. The lateral length of pipe can be measured with 4 meter, 6 meter and 9 meter tape. The paper of notebook is 18 centimeter by 24. Ali wants is cover the paper completely with square pattern of the same size. Find the largest possible area of each square. Measure the number of square pattern that Ali can be drawn. Here are the two values, the largest possible area of each square pattern. Largest area 24, take divisible, 18 is divisor, 18 1s are 18, 6 6 3s are 18. Now 6 is the largest possible area of each square pattern. Next, the number of area of square pattern that Ali can draw to cover the paper completely. Now take the 18 and 24 LCM. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 10. 9 came as it is, 2 6s are 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 3 came as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now we multiply these five values. The answer came 72. Next question is a morning walk. Three friends step off together. Their step measures 70 centimeters, 76 and 90 centimeters. At what distance from the string point will they step again together? We also take LCM, which is together least common multiples 70, 76, 90. When we take the dividing by 2, answer came as it is. Now we multiply these factors, answer came 23,940. Two containers have 850 liter and 680 liter of milk respectively. Find the capacity of a container which can measure the milk in each container in exactly number of time. Now also a highest common factor Now we dividing 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0 became 10, 2 5s are 10. 5 8s are 40 and 5 became 25, 5 5s are 25. Now the 17 8 ones are 8 and 7. Now 8 ones are 8. Now 5 came. Now multiply with these values. The answer came when the highest common factor is 2 and here is 5 and 7. Now when we multiply these values, the answer came 170. The capacity of container is 170. There are the 460, 364, 312 students in 3 classes respectively. Bus are to hire to take these students to a school trip. Find the maximum number of students who can sit in bus. Each bus carry an equal number of students. Now the largest value take divisor and middle value divisible. 364 ones are 364. Remainder became 52. When 52 multiplied 7, the answer came 364. Now 52 is the smallest value of divisor. Now 52 take as it is and take the smallest value 312. 52 multiplied 6, 312. 52 students answer because 52 is here, 52 is here, which is a highest common factor. 3 lighthouse flash lights together every 60 seconds, 24 and 40 seconds. If the flash together at 2 p.m. at what time will the next flash together? We take the LCM of these 3 values. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2, 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 0 came as it is. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now 3 1s are 3, 5 came as it is, 5 1s are 5. Now we multiply these values, the answer came 240. Minahil wants to prepare some handicrafts of some size from a piece of cloth 9 meter long and 1.25 meter wide. What will be the largest size of handicraft when no wastage is allowed? Now the meters convert in centimeter. You know that there are the 100 centimeter in 1 meter. We multiply 9 with 100. This became 900 centimeter. 1.5 meter multiply 100, 125 centimeter. Now largest value 100 and smallest value 125. Now we divide these 125 7s are 875. Remainder came 25. When we multiply 25 with 5, answer came 125. The largest size of handicraft 25 multiplied 25 centimeter or 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.